أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Welcome to Shiral English. We say that correct pronunciation says a lot about your personality. And that's right, that's true. So let's start. Most of the people pronounce this word commonly, it is pronounced wrong. They say asked, which is totally wrong. It is not asked, it is asked. K is silent and ed is soft T. Asked. And the other one is almond. L is silent. Okay, almond. So repeat it with me. Asked, almond, asked, almond. K is silent. It is not asthma, it is asthma. Asthma. Some people pronounce it asthma. Asthma. The other one is comfortable. It is not comfortable. Okay? Comfortable. 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 So, photo. Soft D. PHOTO. Photo. Soft D. Okay? The other one is photography. It is not photography. Okay? The correct pronunciation is photography. Photographer. The third one is photographer. So repeat it with me. Photo. Photography. Photographer. It is not photographer. Okay? Photographer. Flower. Flower. Most of the people mispronounce it. Okay? They say floor. Garbage. It's not garbage. Okay? Garbage. Garbage. Forget. Forget it. Okay? Forget. It is not forget. For example, for me. Bring a glass of water for me. It's May. It's not May. It's May. Most of the people pronounce it May in the month of May, which is totally wrong. Okay? It's May, not May. For and forget. Iron. 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 It's not iron. Okay? Plumber. Plumber. It's not plumber. Iron. Plumber. Repeat it with me. Iron. Plumber. Plumber. Iron. Pronounce. Pronounce. Pronunciation. It is not pronunciation. Most of the people, they don't make differences between pronounce and pronunciation. They say pronunciation. It is totally wrong. Okay? It is pronunciation, not pronunciation. Okay? The first word is pronounce, but for the pronunciation we pronounce it pronunciation, not pronunciation. Vegetable. Vegetable. It is not vegetable. It's vegetable. Cupboard. Cupboard. Repeat it with me. Vegetable. Vegetable. Cupboard. Cupboard. Debris. Okay? S is silent. Debris. Debris. Berry. इट्स नॉट bury, ओके. bury यानी दफनाने को कहते हैं, ठीक है ना. bury, buried, दफनाना, ठीक है. और debris के मानी है मलबा. तम, अच्छा बी नहीं पढ़ना, तम. etc, 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 epitome, epitome. It's not epitome, okay, epitome, etc, etc. Thumb, repeat it with me, thumb, etc, epitome. Wednesday, repeat it with me, Wednesday. It is not Wednesday. October, October. It is not October. Onion, most of the people say onion. That's not correct, okay. That's not the correct pronunciation. The correct one is onion. Negotiate, negotiate. Repeat it with me, negotiate. Pasta, pasta. Negotiate, pasta. Okay, subscribe my channel and encourage me please. and इंशाल्लाह हम आपके लिए अच्छे अच्छे वीडियो लाएंगे. हमारी हिम्मत बनिएगा. टेक केयर. अल्लाह हाफिज़.